So good morning children. So last class we have discussed about atom and atomic mass. Okay. So before that we have discussed through online class the main postulates of modern atomic theory. Okay. So how many postulates are given in our textbook? 7 postulates are given in our textbook. Okay. So next one, what is mean by atom and what is mean by atomic mass? Okay. So atom is nothing but what? Atom is the smallest particle that take part in the chemical reaction. Okay, atom is the smallest particle that take part in the chemical reaction. Okay, that is the definition about what? Atom. Okay, second one, atom does not exist in free state except noble gases. Okay, so if you are looking the modern periodic table, okay, the noble gases are given in the 18th group. Okay, except the 18th group, other group of the elements are what? They will not exist in the free state. Okay, next one, except some of the noble gas, other atoms are highly reactive. Okay, when compared to the noble gases, other atoms of the elements are highly reactive. Okay, next one, atom does not have any chemical bond. Okay, so these are all the characteristics of what? Atom. Okay, so these points, okay, already we have discussed in the 9th standard. Okay, so what is mean by atomic mass? Okay, so the atomic mass is nothing but what? Mass number. Okay, mass number. Okay, if you are taking an element, okay, for example oxygen, okay, atom of an element. Okay, so atomic number 8, mass number 16. Okay, the atomic mass is nothing but what? 16. Okay, so atomic number is nothing but number of protons or electrons. Okay, so atomic mass or mass number is nothing but what? Proton plus neutron. Okay, so what is the symbol of atomic number? Is that mass number A. Okay, so the A minus Z is equal to number of neutrons. Number of neutrons. Okay, so these things we have discussed in the last class. Okay, so today we are going to start the new topic. Okay, relative atomic mass. Okay, relative atomic mass. So already we know what is mean by atomic mass. Okay, so total number of proton plus neutron. Total number of proton plus neutron present in an atom of an element is known as what? Atomic mass. So what is mean by relative atomic mass? So what is the short form of relative atomic mass? RM. Okay, RA. Okay, first letter RAM. Okay, RAM. RAM. Okay, the relative atomic mass. Okay, so what is the other name of relative atomic mass? Standard atomic weight. Okay, standard atomic weight. Standard atomic weight. Okay, so what is the symbol of relative atomic mass? AR. Okay, A capital letter. Okay, next R small letters. Okay, so relative. So relative means what? You have to compare. Okay, so comparison about what? Atomic mass. Okay, that is called what? Relative atomic mass. Okay, an atom is a very small. Absolutely mass cannot be determined directly. Okay, so already we know atom is the smallest particle. Okay, so we cannot measure the mass directly. So we have to compare with the other element. So why we have to compare? So how many times is greater than this? How many times is smaller than this? So that purpose we are comparing. Okay, that purpose we are comparing. Okay, so one element as a standard. Okay, give it an arbitrary value of atomic mass, and using the value they measured the relative mass of the other elements. Okay, so first they have taken what? Okay, hydrogen. Okay, first they have chosen what? Hydrogen is a standard one. Okay. Next they have changed into oxygen. Next they have changed into carbon. Okay. First they took hydrogen is one of the standard element. Next oxygen. Next carbon. Because these elements contains what? Isotopes. So what is mean by isotopes? So isotopes is nothing but what? If you are taking the atom of an element contains same atomic number but different mass number. Different mass number. Okay. Different mass number. Okay. That is called what, ma? Isotopes. Isotopes. Okay. So hydrogen, oxygen, carbon. Okay. So these elements contains what? Isotopes. Okay. So because of this they took what? Standard one. Okay. Which one? Hydrogen, oxygen, carbon. Okay. So what is the definition for relative atomic mass? Okay. So relative atomic mass of an element is the ratio between the average mass of its isotope. The average mass of its isotope. Okay, the average mass of its isotope. So instead of hydrogen or oxygen or carbon, we may take some other atom of an element. We have to calculate what, ma? Average mass of its isotope to the 1/12th part of the mass of a carbon 12 atom. Mass of a carbon 12 atom. Okay, this is the definition for what, ma? Relative atomic mass. Okay, so how to write the equation? So AR is equal to relative atomic mass. AR is equal to average mass of, okay, average mass of the isotopes of an element, okay, divided by 1/12th part of mass of a carbon 12 atom. Mass of a carbon 12 atom. Okay, so this is the definition for what? Relative atomic mass. Okay, the relative atomic mass of an element is the ratio between, okay, ratio between average mass of the isotopes of an element to the 1/12th part of mass of a carbon 12 atom. Okay, so if you are taking the, for example, if you are taking the sodium atom, okay, so how to compare the relative atomic mass of this? Okay, so how many times is greater than or smaller when compared to carbon 12 atom? One carbon 12 atom. Okay, so in this way we have to find out the relative atomic mass of a given atom of an element. Okay, so next one, the relative atomic mass only a ratio. The relative atomic mass is only a ratio. It has no unit. It has no unit. Okay, if the atoms of mass can be expressed in grams, so that is called gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass. Okay, usually the relative atomic mass is the ratio, so it has no unit. Suppose if you are using the gram, that is called what, ma? Gram atomic mass. For example, the gram atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 gram. Okay, why? Because hydrogen mass number 1. Okay, the same way oxygen. The same way oxygen 816. The gram atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Okay, so next one, average atomic mass. Average atomic mass. AAM. Okay, average atomic mass. Okay, so atomic mass, we know the definition. What is mean with average? Okay, suppose an atom of an element contains 3 or 4 different types of isotopes. We have to add the mass divided by how many numbers of isotopes involved in the calculation. So that is called what mass? Average atomic mass. So what is the definition for average atomic mass? The average atomic mass of an element is the weight average of the masses of its naturally occurring isotopes. Okay, average mass of its naturally occurring isotopes. Okay, that is the definition for average atomic mass. So what is the formula for average atomic mass? Okay, so AAM. Okay, AAM, average atomic mass. Okay, so mass of the first isotope, mass of the first isotope int. Okay, into percentage abundance, into percentage abundance of the first isotope of the first isotope. Okay, so mass of the first isotope into percentage abundance of the first isotope. Okay, the same way, suppose an atom of an element contains 3 or 4 isotopes. Okay, the next we have to include mass of the second isotope into percentage abundance of the second isotope. The same way, suppose if an atom of an element contains 3 isotopes, mass of the first isotope into percentage abundance of the first isotope int. Okay, next, okay, here we should not put int plus. Okay, mass of the second isotope into percentage abundance of the second isotope. Okay, second one. Next, plus third one, mass of the third isotope into percentage abundance of the third isotope. Okay, so we have to add all the one, we have to get the result. Okay, so that is called what? Average atomic mass. Average atomic mass. For example, carbon 12 atoms contains, okay, carbon atoms contain 2 different types of isotopes. 2 different types of isotopes. Okay, so carbon 12, carbon 13. Okay, so carbon 12 contains what? 98.9%. Okay, carbon 13 1.10%. Okay, 98.90%. Okay, carbon 13 contain carbon 13 contain 1.10%. Okay, so we have to substitute this one. Mass of the first isotope, okay, 12 into percentage abundance 98.90 plus mass of the second isotope 13 into percentage abundance of the second isotope. Okay, 1.10. Okay, that we have to convert it into decimal point. So after calculating of this other one, okay, we will get what is the value 12.011 AMU. Okay, so in this way we will find out what average atomic masses of a particular elements. Okay, so in our textbook, okay, 2 problems are given. Okay, so page number 94. Okay, calculation of average atomic mass. Okay, solved problems. Okay, example 1 and example 2. 2 problems are given. Just you have to work out the 2 problems. Just to try it. Okay, next class I will explain. Okay, the 2 problems one more time. Okay, so thank you, children. Okay, tomorrow we are going to start the next topic, molecule and molecular mass. Okay, so thank you, children. Thank you.